So today I am making apple juice. So simple. This is actually the juice that we cooked our apples in to make applesauce. And I'm just making it really simple, taking the juice. It already has such a strong apple flavor. And I'm adding a little bit of sugar, warming it up just warm enough to kind of get that sugar mixed in. And then I'm tasting it and just getting it to taste right. And then we're gonna get this all cooled down and jarred up. So I let the apple juice cool down a bit, and now I am putting it in jars. I have these really awesome 1.5 pint freezer jars. I'm not going to be canning it today, it's going in my freezer. So these 1.5 pints are perfect for the freezer, but if I didn't have freezer jars, I would still put this in regular jars. I hope you enjoyed this video and glad you got to see me again.